vanilla syrup, 15 ml of lime juice.
रोटी सब्जी को भी फोर्क और चाकू से खा रहा था. They have a very nice tagline: socially conscious dining.
Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. So this vlog is about a cafe. I know when you hear about a cafe, then that perhaps is only about a cuisine or a review about that place. But what we are about to share with you all is going to change that perspective of yours. So tighten your seatbelts for the journey that you're in, which definitely will guarantee you more than just food and ambience of that place. This place has opened our eyes and changed our perspective towards how socially conscious we need to be towards the community that we are a part of. This place called Terrasinne Cafe. Terrasinne is also an amalgamation of words terra and scene. Scene is from cuisine, terra is from earth. So there's an entire history and concept behind it that we are going to share in the video itself. For starters, Terrasinne is a concept which is run by specially abled people. The moment you enter that place, you are in for the kindness and love that is about to be showered over you. The reception that you will get will definitely leave an impression of the most beautiful experience that you will ever have. So if you are passing by the Ferguson College Road of Pune, then never miss a chance of stopping by this place and going inside to share a moment of love with these people. If you like the video, by the end of it, do not forget to share it with your loved ones because you will know the reason once you watch it all. Stay tuned to the channel and enjoy this vlog.
पे, कल्चर पे, रिलीजन पे, एक लिमिट के बाद लैंग्वेज मैटर नहीं करती है. आप किस तरह से अपने दूसरे को एक्सप्रेस करते हो बहुत मैटर करता है. मैं ये मानती हूँ कि हम पहले से ही क्यों नहीं हर एक इंसान को, चाहे वो किसी भी कल्चर का है, किसी भी कम्युनिटी का है या किसी भी एबिलिटी का है, हम उसको एक इंसान की तरह क्यों नहीं लेते. अपार्ट हम सब ह्यूमंस हैं, तो हमें ह्यूमैनिटी को नहीं भूलना चाहिए.
Right, so we are now about to be given a tour of this place.
This is about Terrasinne. It's socially conscious dining because we have 200 farmers on board and especially able people who are working with us. This entire sticker here gives you an idea about what Terrasinne is and what India Millets is and how we work around farm produced and make global dishes out of it. So similarly, this page here, you can take any, these are all QR codes.
Yeah.
You can take any picture and you can check that these are all disability heroes which who have made a place for themselves in the entire world and overcoming and being the best in their fields. Here are basic sign languages, how to interact, how to be patient with these kids and how to greet them, how to ask them a question if you want to. And we have our QR codes to rate us or review us. So we call it as a SOCO experience, socially conscious experience, where you're socially conscious towards the community, at the same time you're socially conscious towards sustainable agriculture. So whenever you go to a restaurant, it's a very novel concept of having movie posters put up on the walls.
Yes.
So we have chosen movie posters of all movies who have a disability, showcase a disability. Like till people didn't see Terrasinne, they didn't know autism and dyslexia existed.
So one thing that I didn't know about sign language was that is also different in different countries.
Yes.
India has a different sign language and America has.
Sign language is different, American sign language is different, Australian sign language is different.
Thank you for giving us lovely tour to us. Thank you. Alright, so socially conscious का मतलब क्या होता है? मतलब socially conscious मतलब that you are concerned about the society. मगर यहाँ पे आके we have understood that there is a different meaning to it also. You should know the ways of the society so that we all could live harmoniously, amicably.
Got your pizza, Karan? So can you tell me the name of this pizza?
Quattro
Formaggio.
Formaggio
is cheese. So quattro is 4.
4 kinds of cheese they have added to this pizza. I don't know if I could handle it. Every new experience comes with the leap of faith that you need to take.
क्या वो इतना क्यों कर रहा है? ऐसे पकड़ के सीधा सीधा उठा ना, अपना नॉर्मल पकड़ो खा लो। ये देखिए ये होता है इसके साथ, फाइन डाइनिंग वाला बंदा है ये।
कुछ भी कंटेंट के लिए कुछ भी। What's the name of the mocktail again?
The blossom.
Blossom. Lime leaves.
Yeah.
Vanilla syrup, 15 ml of lime juice.
And 180 ml of orange juice.
Orange juice.
And this is orange slices.
Orange slices. So everyone who is watching this video, do come to this place and have the pleasure of taking a mocktail.
Can't feel my lips. Okay. Vanilla syrup.
Balloon glass.
This is the balloon glass. Orange slice.
Can I taste it?
Yeah.
So glad to taste this. Next time I need a blossom mocktail, I know where to come.
Terrasinne, come here for mocktail. And they have fine dining also downstairs. One of the finest places, especially on a Sunday.
So we have had a very nice experience here and it was very heart touching. We didn't come here with that intention to leave with almost filled eyes. It all has been made possible by this person. She is the owner of this place and she is Dr.
Sonam Kapse.
Dr. Sonam Kamse, and she has given a beautiful tour of this place that we are going to share in the video. This is definitely going to be a memorable piece of treasure in your life.
Thank you so much.